Hello everyone, good morning and Jai Hind. This is Ritik sir and I am here to start with my first video. And I thought that in this lockdown period it will be a really very nice idea to start with some revisions of English. So are you all ready to be prodigy in English with me, means Ritik sir? So I decided to start my topic with articles. Articles, very basic in all the classes, right? So we'll be starting with that. So let's get started. Okay, so before we start articles, we should really know what are articles in fact. So articles are the words used before nouns and pronouns. They actually functions as an adjectives. They are specific or general. That is for your benefit that I have divided it into two basic terms, specific or general. And basically we all know that there are only three articles in English, that is A and B. You may refer to this particular chart for your better clearance, right? So basically in articles if you find, then I'll tell you that there are three rules in total that will help you to find very easy that what article is there in whichever sentences or paragraph that you are dealing with. Proceeding forward, so rule number one says that there are two articles. If you can refer there, then the one is indefinite article and another is definite articles. In indefinite articles, we prefer to keep a and an. If I go more specific, then that will be a and an, right? And in a column of definite article, you can see that we will have the, the. Now, there is a very specific thing about the indefinite articles. So we can also say that an unspecific object used with consonants are called indefinite articles. Exceptions are there. Very important to note down the exceptions. Exceptions are we use a before the sound u, EU and YOU. You may have this chart for the basic clearance. Another thing, we use a with university, European city and unicorn. You may refer to this particular thing for the basic things. And another very important thing is an, right? It is also an indefinite article. So an unspecific object with vowels. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. With these five vowels, we use indefinite article, that is an. Okay, moving forward, I hope you all know that the alphabets, the English alphabets that we deal with are having 26 letters, 26 alphabets, right? So out of this, 5 vowels are there, A, E, I, O, U, and others are consonants. Fine, I think you are very sure about it. Again, we have an exception. We use an before the words with silent H. I repeat, we use an before the vowel with silent H. Example, we use an with honest student, we use an with house, and we use an with R. Right? Moving forward, the. Now we shift our focus to the. The is a specific object both the speaker and the listener know, and that's why the is a definite article. Another very thing, as I said, indefinite article and definite article. So indefinite article is also previously known as the noun that is being introduced into a dialogue or a story. Fine. And definite article, a noun that has already been introduced. That is really very unique in that particular approach. Can you spot now? I have one very important exercise for you all. Can you spot the article from this given passage? Well, if you have done, then that's really very good. And if you don't, then these are the answers there, right? Rule number 2, when a noun is unique, we use a definite article. Very specific. Definite article means the. Only one of that object is unique. So, the sun, the president, and the Queen of England. What have you noticed in all the 3 examples that I have said? In all the 3 examples, we have the objects as unique. We have only one sun, we have only one president, presently Donald Trump, and we have one Queen of England, right? So, I hope you have got a better understanding of the articles a and the. So, yes, if you like this article, if you like this video, then please do a like button, share the video, and yes, do subscribe my channel. And yes, soon we will be coming up with more contents. Hope you will like this. Thank you and Jai Hind.